MEMS really seem to be coming into their own now. What can you tell us about directions, trends, interesting applications?
Well, it's really exciting. I mean, last year our theme was MEMS in the mainstream, and then this year it's MEMS is in the mainstream. And so what's next? And so we're taking on topics about MEMS commercialization, and what I'm talking about is MEMS isn't really new, but what we're talking about is the adoption of MEMS, the challenges of MEMS, talking about, maybe it's not the sexy things, the flashy, sexy things, but the hard things like the packaging and the testing and standardization. We need to talk about some of those challenges as well. But then there are those sexy, exciting things that are about MEMS.
Tell us more.
Yeah, like there's quality of life enabling technologies. I'm really excited about those Google glasses. And I know, those things when they skydived into Moscone just a few weeks ago at the Google I/O conference. And I know there's a lot of MEMS in there. In fact, I feel like I helped play a tiny little role in helping that MEMS get inside those.
So?
Well, I can't tell. He said I'd have to kill you later.
I'm here at the Sensors Expo, and on behalf of the MEMS industry group, we've been a member for over 5 years, and it's been very beneficial for Freescale in the sense of networking with other MEMS suppliers, as well as working with the industry out there on business development.
We are a member of MEG, and we've been with MEG for almost 10 years now. At Microline, we are a pure MEMS foundry. We've been around for about 30 years, and we have tons of experience in this field. We've seen ups and downs of this industry. We are very excited about the business and the industry is doing very well. We are going to have a very good year this year.
Both Yole Development and MEMS Industry Group are in the business of making sure people are informed about MEMS and making sure that the people that need information and want to understand it can do that. And we very much enjoy our partnership with MEG, our membership in MEG. It's been very good for us, and I think it's very good for MEG. It's a mutually rewarding relationship, very symbiotic.
And overall, MEG has always provided huge value to the industry, to me personally, to the organizations that I've worked with and worked for. And I am just a big advocate of MEG, and I strongly hope that they continue to support and provide the pre-conference sessions like this at Sensors Expo. It's been a huge value to us. The leads that obtained, the networking opportunities have always been, first and foremost, incredible.
I'm showing our Analog Devices MEMS microphones. I'm using our new low noise MEMS microphone, the ADMP504. And I built 4 of them, 2 on the front and 2 in the rear, into an array here, and doing some simple audio processing to do some beamforming and create a directional response using those microphones so that the microphone array picks up the sounds in front of the array while rejecting sounds and attenuating the sounds to the sides and to the rear of the array.
Yeah, we're really proud to announce the release of the first ever RF MEMS enabled product in cell phones. Our product is an innovative device that enables the thinner, smaller antennas that today and tomorrow's smartphones need to really get the kind of network connectivity that consumers demand. Better battery life, fewer drop calls, better data rates. So we're really excited about the potential of the technology, and we have many new exciting products to be coming out in the next couple of years, so stay tuned for even more innovations from RF MEMS.
Great, thank you.
It's an environmental demo to give an indication of total room comfort for a building or a specific room in a building. It's combining our thermal IR sensing to detect the presence or absence of people in the room. As you can see, as I move across the sensor, it's picking up the different locations that I'm occupying. It has 8 chips. They're MEMS thermal IR chips in an array, so it's producing 8 individual readings.
There's a lot of interest in magnetic sensors right now, particularly for sensor fusion. We've got the gyroscopes and accelerometers, but the piece to complete the puzzle is the magnetometer in order to do the holy grail, which is to do indoor navigation.